AgTech Tech Tip: Editing Sectional Depth. In this video we will demonstrate the use of the point review list to edit the sectional depth of the rim elevations. When entering pipes and laterals using rim-invert as opposed to using surfaces, it may be desired to add a sectional depth to account for subbase materials when calculating the trench excavation. In this example, the storm pipe was entered using rim-invert from inlet to inlet. And you can see the pipe runs through multiple types of paving and landscape areas. The pipeline starts under the light-duty paving of 10 inches. It is then under the landscape and sidewalk with a section of 0.33. From there, it is under heavy-duty paving of 12 inches. Then next it's back under light-duty paving, then landscape, and heavy-duty paving again. To edit the sectional depth, click the Point Review List button in the lower right corner of the screen. The point list will display. Select the pipeline. You can see the first segment is entirely under the light-duty paving. Select the first point in the list and drag down to the second point. The selected segment will be highlighted on the plan and profile. Right-click in the selected field and select Edit, Section. Enter 0.83 for 10 inches and press Enter. And the rim elevation will be lowered by the section depth. The next section runs through the landscape up to the heavy-duty paving, so we will need to add points at the edges of the heavy-duty paving. Position the arrow at the edge of pavement and press the F6 key to insert the point. Repeat this for the adjacent edge of pavement. Select the point range in the list as before. Right-click and select Edit Section. Enter 0.33 for the depth of the landscape area and press Enter. Select the points under the heavy-duty paving. Edit the section to 1 foot. The next section is under light-duty paving. Edit the depth accordingly. Continue this procedure to the end of the run, inserting points where needed. When complete, the rim surface will now be adjusted for the depths of the sections. To return to finished grade, you can edit all the section depths back to 0.